If your Apple Watch doesn't work properly or freezes or just malfunctioning, most likely you need to restart your Apple Watch. I'll show you two different ways how to restart your Apple Watch. To restart Apple Watch, you'll have to turn it off and on again like your iPhone. Unfortunately, there isn't a simple restart button that you can press. So before you start, make sure that Apple Watch is not on a charger. Then you'll need to press and hold side button on your Apple Watch until you see power menu. Then right here, you'll need to swipe power off slider to the right of the screen with your finger. Your Apple Watch will now turn off. After the screen has turned black for several seconds, press and hold side button again until you see Apple logo on the screen. When your Apple Watch loads the home screen, it has been successfully rebooted. And if by some reason your Apple Watch isn't responding, you can force restart. Don't force restart the Apple Watch while you're updating the software, as you might break or corrupt your operation system. To force restart your Apple Watch, press and hold the side button on the digital crown together for at least 10 seconds. When you see Apple logo on the screen, release both buttons. Once your Apple Watch fully reboots, it should hopefully start working correctly. Hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.